What if I told you you could pick a workflow for exactly what you need, whether it's a design, a product, marketing material, and have what you need in seconds? And the best part is most of the work and the hard creative decisions are done for you based on what's already working, because that is a reality if you're using Kittl Workflows. They just recently launched, and I want to show you how this can revolutionize and completely change how you've been going about your print-on-demand business. So let's check it out. Now, if this video is going to be reflective of my print-on-demand workflow, I always start with inspiration, with research. So I jumped on over to Etsy and I typed in simply funny shirt, very broad, cast a very wide net. Now, because I'm using the Everbee Chrome extension, I also have the ability to click bestseller next to the show only section, and it's going to filter so that I only see bestsellers. I can also see how many sales a month roughly each of these listings is generating. And well, I absolutely love this listing right here, 26 monthly sales. It says, sorry I'm late, I was dilly-dallying. Now, I absolutely love this design style as well. So what I'm thinking is I'm gonna use this as my inspiration. Now, I'm not gonna try to copy this bestseller. I'm just gonna use it as inspiration for what we're gonna create with our Kittl workflows. So let's jump on over here to Kittl. I wanna be clear, I'm in the AI Hub. Over there on the left-hand navigation, if you click AI Hub, it'll take you to the screen that I'm on in case you wanna follow along. You can see up here, what do you wanna create today? I can simply prompt it. Now, if you guys missed my video from last month, I walked through how I've been prompting using their agentic AI. I'll link to that in the YouTube cards right here and in the description, but today I wanna show you the workflows. Now, the first thing I wanna do is use the Kittl workflow called match a merch style. You can see it right here. I'm gonna click that, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna upload a design that I love. So I'm gonna go ahead and upload that image from that Etsy listing that we locked in on, doing about 26 sales a month currently. Go ahead and upload that, and I'm gonna say, basically tell it what changes to make. So I'm gonna say replace raccoon with chihuahua. You guys know I love chihuahuas. Change text to, I'm just gonna talk into my mic actually. Don't take advice from me. You'll end up with a new dog. And I actually found that saying trending as well when I was researching bestsellers. I'm gonna go ahead and hit generate and let AI do its thing to create that new design. And there it is. I absolutely love the design, and they did a great job matching the style from that bestseller. I want to show you guys, you can download it really easily. You can change the format, PNG, JPEG, SVG, PDF. You can even have it upscaled there. I actually downloaded it to my computer in a 3x upscale. You can edit it as well if you want to. You can simply remove the background really quickly in one click. You can have it vectorized quickly in one click. You can even open it in Kittl's editor. You can do things like remove the background, vectorize it, change the design. Let me go ahead and vectorize it here and show you that just so that you don't have to take me at my word. It should be a quick one given that it's a monochrome design. And then from here, we have the ability to do things like browse color palettes. And if we want to make the red version, the blue version, the green version, the pink version, etc., it's relatively easy to do. So I just wanted to make sure you guys were aware of that. But now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to the home page here, the AI Hub, and I want to scroll down and show you how we can create mockups now. Now, I'm going to go here to the mockups section, and the first one just says use your own mockup. I also want to show you that they've got pre-built options for mockups as well. So in terms of using your own mockup, I'm gonna go ahead and just upload a basic blank Amazon merch generic t-shirt, and we'll use that. And then in terms of our, ooh, that was where the design goes. I made a mistake. I'm gonna go ahead and add my design actually. So I'm just gonna use the output from earlier. And then in terms of uploading mockup, I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And then I'm gonna generate for 15 credits. No big deal at all whatsoever there. And it should be done pretty quickly. I also wanted to show you guys that they have other mockups. You saw there's a whole section for mockups, but this is the other one where in that first one I had to upload my own mockup. If you guys don't have your own mockups, don't worry, Kittl's got you covered. Just wanted to show you that I can grab like the Gildan 500 here and pick a design position. I'm gonna do front center big, and I'm gonna go ahead and select my design. Okay, and then we can choose the product color. I'm honestly maybe a little sand action, and generate the mockup here as well. Let's check back in on our first one, and I'll let you guys know when these are ready. So there's one of our mockups. I chose that like sand color. I actually really like how it blends in with the color of the shirt there. So that's our design looking photorealistic on a Gildan 5000 t-shirt. And you can see here, it notified us that our mockup is ready. So what I did is I had initially uploaded a mockup on a PNG shirt with no background, and it defaulted to black. So then I added in a white background. I think this looks much better. And it's something you could actually use on Amazon, Etsy, etc. that would sell. We know it would sell because Amazon merch, one of the biggest, if not the biggest print on demand programs, this is exactly how they do their mockups. So sometimes you don't have to second guess it. I think that looks great. Now that we've got our mockup mockups ready, and I'm gonna go ahead and download this as well in case I need it later. But now I'm gonna go back to the AI hub and check this out. We need product marketing material. So how about a simple product zoom video? I'm gonna go ahead and take that image of our t-shirt here. Okay, I got the one with the sand with the background. I'm gonna click use image, and I'm gonna let this Kittl workflow generate a video zooming in, or should we zoom it out? What do you guys think? Zoom in, zoom out. I actually think zoom out might be better since they're probably buying the design more than the shirt. So it'll start zoomed in on the design and then zoom out gradually over time. We'll let that generate, and let's create one more product video. This is another one of the pre-made workflows here. They call it a casual apparel try on. What I'm gonna do is upload that image of our Amazon merch flat t-shirt there against a white background, and we will allow this workflow to kind of take that image and run with it. Describe your model. We could just say female 20s slim build, basically describing the default model there. Pick a background, sure, bedroom, generate. Give that a couple minutes and we'll check back in with it. And actually, while those videos generate, why don't we come back here and just check out more of the workflows. There's some gems hidden in here. You've got your UGC videos. That's kind of worries my wife because she's a little bit of a UGC influencer herself, and she's like, man, AI is coming for my job. But then I showed her the stuff that Kittl's got going on and she was impressed. So it's kind of a double-edged sword there. If we can use it to our benefit, I mean, hey, why not? You can see here the videos underneath there. They've got the product visuals, so a clean product shot, you know, straightforward. If you want to give it the design and the product, it will basically mix both. Change product color, styled model photo shoot, fisheye apparel, you know, kind of like a out there, that would probably look good on Instagram or something. Kind of reminds me of the 90s for some reason. Cozy home product scene, swap your background, styled flat lay, botanical product scene. So it's not just print on demand t-shirts. I mean, they can do a whole bunch of things, a very wide variety. Luxury editorial scene, color studio flat lay for things like hats. I don't know about you guys, but like I sell a lot of apparel, not just shirts, hats too. Down here, product listing videos. So focusing more on the product than the model. You can see we were messing around with the product zoom a second ago. We're gonna circle back to that, but I just wanted to show you guys like a product grab would go great for a mug, vertical reveal for wall art, orbiting left and right, the spinning thing there, you see that behind me? It's absolutely crazy. And then a rotate left and right there for like a 3D model of a print on demand purse too. I mean, that's crazy. They call this one just general marketing here. A lot of it's video. I mean, check out this giant hanger on really large, easily recognizable buildings. What is that? Big Ben right there. You can see here more mock-ups, branding, tools. The tool section is probably where you're going to start. I just want to make sure you guys were aware. When we started, we used the match a merch style. You can change product colors, match a logo style, swap the background, style your logo, change product lighting, change product angles, blur a background. There's a ton you can do. Let's check back in with our videos that look like they are ready to go. Okay, let's go ahead and check this out. There's our first video. Starts zoomed in and then zooms out, and it looks like they did like a generative fill and kind of decided what the rest of the background should be as it zooms out there on what looks to be a concrete floor with our t-shirt there. And then the UGC influencer here. Let's check this one out here. And you can see underneath the video what AI model that they used to create it. So this would go great if you're running like Instagram ads, TikTok ads, etc., optimized at that 9:16 format so that it's going to be great for any app basically where you can purchase ad space and then render a vertical video. So if you guys are as excited as I am about the Kittl AI workflows, go check it out. It's free to start. And if you use code workflows, you can save 50% on annual plans. I'll make sure to drop a link and the code beneath this video. So go check it out. Let me know which one was your favorite, and I'll see you guys at the next video.